Okay, listen up. Professor Ewens has been unavoidably detained. So let's review Chapter 26 in anticipation for next Friday's test, okay? That's differential equations, applied probability, approximation theory, asymptotic and variational methods. Okay, most of you were lost on optimal polynomials on the last quiz. So once you choose the degree and domain of the polynomial is chosen to minimize your worst case error. So the goal here is to minimize the maximum probability of p of x minus f of x, where f of x is the actual function